Howdy, paper engineers in training. I am your father. Oh, anyway, I am the paper engineer. Now, this is just going to be one of those kind of fun videos. I am starting to sand on this 30 inches of keel for the hull of the Titanic. Now, since I shouldn't be breathing a lot of this stuff, I'm not going to. Yay! Anyway, this is it. This is 5 layers of paper. Okay? 5 layers. Been sandwiched now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 days it took me to make this part. But for the keel of the Titanic, it needs to be super strong. 1 inch wide, 30 inches long. I still have to shape the keel and put the aft end and put it on. This is my heaviest sandpaper. I think I'm going to get some that's even more aggressive than this. Because when I have to do something like what I'm doing right now, it's a lot of sanding. But it's well worth it. And so, anyway, and I'm sanding, but you know what? I really should be using the bower. The bower is a much more aggressive rotary tool. It has, it's more power, so it doesn't bog down as bad as the Dremel. And its battery life is better. So, anyway, you can see this blue line, alright? That's what I'm getting rid of. Reason being is you need to have a good, smooth bottom on the keel, because the stand, this will set in the stand. And so I have to make sure and continue to sand this down until it does not have any more layers sticking out of each other like this. You can see those. This now is nice and smooth because it's a finished piece. And so anyway, this has to continue until I get all 30 inches done. The inside does not matter at all. You will never see it. And so, you continue this on until you get it finished. Now what this whole thing is doing is, this is creating your best work surface for building anything. For building anything, you have to make sure that your very first piece is correct. If your first piece is incorrect, your entire build will be wrong. So, there you go, Paper Army. a little bit of sanding technology there. And I don't know where this video is going to end up. I think it should end up for everybody. Because, yeah. Anyway, salute, Paper Army. I will see you Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time in America. I do this show the same every day of the week. It's my job to be here in the phone show. See you then.